30th of January 1952 and registered as 168. And it was piloted by Commandant Ralph James in July 1993, by which time it had accumulated 4,500 flight hours.
Ako, yan na yung flag glass na yata yan.
Put into storage and remained
Flag yata ng Ireland yan.
donated to the Irish Historic Flight Foundation.
Ay, yung ganyan nila, no?
Hindi bubuga sila ng kulay dilaw, kulay puti, kulay green. Yan na yata yun. Pang last yun, tatlo.
This morning I was talking to some of the pilots from the Historic Flight Foundation, and they reminded me that so many pilots who are still flying today, there's a great fondness for this aircraft, because back in the early days of Aer Lingus, when Aer Lingus recruited pilots, their initial training was done with the Air Corps in the Chipmunk. These days it's a very different process, and if you visit the Aer Lingus stand, you'll be able to find out a little bit more about their current recruitment process, which has just been announced. But in the meantime, we're enjoying this afternoon the leisurely pace of the aircraft of the Historic Flight Foundation. At the front of the formation at the moment, with the yellow wings and blue body, you'll see the Boeing Stearman aircraft. This is an open cockpit aircraft, one pilot sitting behind the radial engine. And most of the US pilots during World War II got their initial training in this aircraft. Made of steel, cotton fabric, covering Canadian spruce wings, 9-cylinder engine. It was built by the Boeing Company in Wichita, Kansas. The aircraft we're seeing here today, EIHFD, or Hotel Fox Delta, was originally built in 1942 at the Boeing factory in Wichita, Kansas, and then delivered to Pensacola, Florida, where it was a primary trainer for many thousands of US airmen during World War II. After the war, the airplane was bought from the US Army by a United States Air Force pilot who trained on Stearmans, and the aircraft could be seen at in Fresno, California, performing in air shows during the 50s, 60s and 70s. And fantastic that the aircraft is still flying today. Ryanair accepted delivery of its first Boeing 737-800 aircraft. They wanted to join the Path to the Future. The founder of Ryanair, Tony Ryan, and his son Hal acquired the aircraft.